my name is Saloni and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to have a face-off of birthday dresses between Meesho and Myntra. I am so excited. I have almost 10 dresses to show you and everything is below 1200 rupees. Meesho वाले तो 500 रुपए से भी सस्ते हैं. कहाँ से शुरू करें? Should we start from Meesho or Myntra first? I think let's start with Myntra first. I'm not gonna lie, this dress was the dress of my dreams. I always wanted to wear something very princessy for my birthday, and when I saw this on Myntra, I was like, Bhagwan ne meri sun li. This is a maxi dress and it has this very pretty sweetheart neckline. पूरी dress में ऐसा lace जैसा बना हुआ है. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ दिस इज कॉल्ड लेस और इट इज वेरी सिमिलर टू लेस. मुझे बर्थडे पे पिंक ड्रेस नहीं पहननी थी. आई नो कभी कभी मैं भी उटपटांग बातें करती हूँ, बट आई स्टिल वांटेड टू बी देयर समवेयर इन द पिंक की गलियां. So I think this color is perfect. I also wore this dress for the Pinterest picnic of my dreams. Pictures तो भाई साहब इतने ज्यादा सुंदर आए ना कि मैं क्या ही बताऊं. I got this in small size. Can you believe it? I was so shocked and I was so happy कि यार मुझे कोई ड्रेस स्मॉल साइज में भी आ सकती है. It just fits me really really well. अभी तक तो मैंने काफी अच्छी अच्छी बातें बता दी तुमको, but I have to be honest with you. The quality is not that great. पूरी ड्रेस पे ना ऐसे थोड़ा धागे धागे से हो गए. इट इज नॉट दैट विजिबल, बट आई स्टिल फील कि क्वालिटी थोड़ी बेटर हो सकती थी. आज जो मैं तुम्हें ड्रेसेस दिखाने वाली हूँ ना, दे आर ऑल अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ मॉडर्न, बट एट द सेम टाइम दे आर वेरी सेक्सी. आई एम वेल अवेयर दिस लुक्स लाइक अ मिक्सचर ऑफ पोटैटो सैक एंड वो जो लूफा होता है ना गाड़ी साफ करने का. व्हेन आई वाज गेटिंग दिस ड्रेस आई वाज नॉट वेरी श्योर अबाउट इट. आई एम नॉट वेरी कंफर्टेबल अराउंड बॉडीकॉन ड्रेसेस, बट आई ऑलवेज वांट टू वेयर बॉडीकॉन ड्रेसेस. तो जब मैंने ये देखा मुझे लगा मे बी I should try this. It is a bodycon dress, but at the same time, it has this ruching sort of a detail all throughout the dress. Because of this ruching detail, ये जो पूरा dress है ना, ये आपको एक बहुत ही अच्छे वे में hug कर लेता है. पता नहीं क्यों तुम लोग मेरी तारीफ नहीं करते हो. This dress really looks good on me. ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे मेरे लिए ही बनी हुई थी. I have worn this dress multiple times, and I think out of all the dresses, this dress is the oldest one that I have. A little gyan that I want to give you. I understand we naturally gravitate towards black dresses, and trust me, I don't have a problem with black clothes, but I feel birthday is one such occasion where you should really experiment with colors. Every other person is going to wear black, but if you wear something like this, you are going to stand out. People are going to come and wish you, but at the same time they are going to ask you, ये भयंकर सुंदर ड्रेस कहाँ से ली? It's midi in length, off shoulder, little bit modest, but at the same time very sexy. But if you are someone who is not comfortable with the cleavage, you can always pull this up. तो ये थोड़ा सा sleeveless dress बन जाएगी. I personally prefer it off shoulder. I think it looks more sexier. यार मेरी इंग्लिश ना पूरी खराब हो चुकी है, मैं क्या ही बताऊं. I'm going to give you a little bit of a spoiler. This next dress is my favorite dress amongst everything that I'm going to show you. I think obsessed is a छोटा term. मैं ना पगला गई हूँ इसके पीछे. कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? I love everything about it. This color, perfect mix between bangani, purple grapes and wine. How pretty is this dress? I love this silver धारी धारी. It just looks so pretty on me. मैं ना लड़ जाऊंगी तुमसे अगर तुमने बोला कि ये dress is not perfect for your birthday, because it is. This is going to make you look like a star that you already are. And as I told you, मेरा ना bodycon dresses से love hate relationship है. So when I saw this dress, I was like, maybe it is going to look good on me because it has the same ruching pattern, but this time it is just on the waist. The length is just perfect. It is not very short. I'll be very honest with you, मुझे इससे कोई भी problem नहीं है, but I feel many of you will be a little uncomfortable because the straps are literally they are as thin as मुझे सच्ची में लगा था कि मैं कुछ बहुत अच्छा सा जोक मारूंगी अभी, बट मेरे दिमाग में कुछ भी आ नहीं रहा है. Layer it up with a jacket on the top, या फिर you can wear a mesh top inside. If you don't want to experiment a lot with colors, I feel colors like this are the best for you. They are not too much. They are so unique. And Sakhi, it's your birthday. You have to be unique. Next, I have something for the people who love prints. Things that are trending currently. This dress hits all of them. It has gingham red color. It is midi. Just like the other two dresses, it also has this ruching detail at the waist, which makes the dress look really flattering on people like me who have heavy stomach areas. It is sleeveless, but it has a high neck. Print is also not very loud. If you're planning for a casual dinner or movie night for your birthday, this dress is going to be perfect for you. I think Myntra के तो इतने ही dresses थे. Next, let me show you everything I got from Meesho. So I have few printed pieces and I have one solid piece. I feel dinosaurs के time से ये print exist कर रही हैं, but somehow it has been trending recently and अब तक तो तुम लोगों ने guess कर ही लिया होगा. I am talking about animal print. I know majority of you guys will be like, birthday पे animal print कौन पहनता है? क्यों नहीं पहन सकते यार? For you, I have this really pretty maxi off-shoulder dress. To be honest, I'm still in denial कि ये मीशो का है. I didn't expect this from Meesho. The material is to die for. एकदम ऐसा मक्खन जैसा है. I love the fit on me. My only issue with this is कि मुझे ना ये चेस्ट से थोड़ा ढीला था, तो ये पूरे टाइम नीचे होता जा रहा था. मुझे पूरे टाइम इसको खींचना पड़ रहा था. तुम्हारी सखी में दिमाग बहुत है, इसलिए she has found a way around wearing bodycon dresses. And what exact type of bodycon dresses suit a heavier body like mine? Try bodycon dresses with big bold prints on it. They look so flattering. If you thought that print was too much, I'm not sure what you're gonna say about this. अब तुम लोग नहीं बोल सकते सलोनी तूने ब्लैक ड्रेस नहीं दिखाई. This is the black dress of my dreams. I am somebody who loves colors and prints. ये मैं बहुत बार बोल चुकी हूँ. So अगर मेरा बर्थडे है और मुझे ब्लैक ड्रेस पहननी है, तो I will go ahead and wear a dress like this, maxi length and bodycon. Another trick to choose bodycon dresses that can actually work for your heavy figure. Choose dresses with darker colors. Material is really soft but it is thick. तो इसमें थोड़ी गर्मी लग सकती है. Basically goes like this. आप इसको ऐसे halter जैसा पीछे बांध सकते हो. Pretty modest dress. Halter neck है, but at the same time it does not involve a lot of skin show. But the moment you turn your back, oof. It looks just so hot. Perfect for birthday dinners. अगर तुम लोग holiday पे भी जा रहे हो ना, then this dress is the dress for you. You know what? I just now got an idea for a shot. I think I'm going to show you multiple ways that you can wear dresses like these. So if you don't want to miss on that, please do subscribe to my channel. Next, I have something which is more like a day sort of a dress. Of course, the haul was incomplete without any pink dress. Whether it's your birthday or you're going out for a beach vacation, this is going to look really pretty. Love these hibiscus straight square neck and adjustable straps. Say with me, we are girlies and we love clothes with adjustable straps and pockets in them. The material is really soft. Best part of majority of these dresses, press करने की झिकझिक नहीं रहेगी. I was not very sure about the fitting. I feel it fits me well, but I don't know. I just didn't like the dress on me. This next dress really shocked me and I think it is going to shock you as well. Look at those colors. This is also a maxi dress and it comes with this high slit halter dress. But when I opened the package, I found this inside and I was so confused. I was like, ये क्या चीज है? It looks like a baby's bib. But then I went on Meesho and I just zoomed in and I realized that you have to wear the dress and उसके ऊपर you can wear this genius. So if you want to wear this, you can, or if you want to remove it, you can. You are getting basically two dresses in one. I like the fit on me. I feel it was slightly loose from the bust area and I'm not a big fan of the material. It is really thick. ऐसा कुछ कभी किसी ने उनके बर्थडे पे नहीं पहना होगा and this is why I love it. My favorite has to be the bangani dress with the silver dharia. Second, I think the animal print dress. Third, the ruched blue dress. I can't believe I'm going to say this, but Myntra is the winner of this battle. What do you think? Which dress was your favorite? Tell me in the comments down below. Also tell me what battles do you want to see next. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and please do subscribe to my channel. Only you can make my dreams come true. I'm going to meet you really soon. Until then, मेरा तो नहीं मिल रहा है, मुझे भी पानी कहाँ रखा है, but पानी पीते रहो.